Hello everybody, good day. I'm Rasanya, Sai Rasanya actually. I just passed my class 10th and I'm doing my inter first year. And I've been in Lead India since my 6th grade. OSS is morely based on Lead India basics, which is more like it helps you in your development. Physical, mental, it matures you in every single way. Well, since I've been in Lead India since 6th grade, at once when I was in Lead India, I was like, no, I don't want to do this. But then later, after the first class, the Lead India Anna singing, interacting with us, being all natural, very friendly, it was really inspirational. I am more of a troublemaker, so I always used to, run around here and there, trouble the teachers, and every time I failed in something, the teachers would come and say, learn what you learned in Lead India. Remember, you have to do, you have to come up. Acharya would support me in so many different ways that I would just look for the support with him whenever I was like about to fail something. I always depended on that one thing, aap padho, desh ko badhao, right? I mean, if you don't develop yourself, how can you develop others? This is like the most common thing I've heard. But here, this is where you cultivate it. You kind of develop it into a big tree. And I've seen this tree. I've seen wonders that the tree can develop into. I was like, I didn't have enough self-confidence. I was shivering with stage fright. I would always underestimate myself. I didn't know anything about Mother India. I was just a mess. Lead India taught me every single thing I need to know right now. And honestly speaking, it taught me how to live in the world. It taught me how to live an honest life in the world. Because without honesty, there is no life, right? Maybe there is, but you won't be satisfied with it. You won't have that whole feeling you have inside your heart, right? Well, honestly speaking, so many people here, I would be dying of stage fright, you know. I would just hide behind my teacher, say, I don't want to come, I don't want to come. But I was here, right? I'm standing here, I'm talking, thanks to Lead India, thanks to Acharya, and thanks to every single person who put effort into changing me. Just give this a hope. Just give it a chance, and it will be wonderful. Thank you.